Well, if you've chosen econ as one of your JC subjects, naturally the next question to ask yourself is how are you going to do well in it? Now, the first thing to recognize is, as with all the other JC subjects, it's going to be a massive jump from what you're used to in secondary school. So the first thing really is consistency, right? What does consistency mean? Well, for starters, you want to make sure that you're always on top of things, you're doing all your homework, and you're revising for all the tests that comes. But the question is, how do you revise? How do you prepare for those papers? Well, the answer is, the first thing you got to do is you got to compress your notes. You're going to get more than 700 pages of material in 2 years. So if you don't compress it, you don't shorten it, there's no way that you can remember all the things that you need to. Now, the final piece of the puzzle that a lot of people neglect is practice. Now, it's natural to practice for math, it's natural to practice for the sciences, but because it's a humanity, a lot of people don't look at enough questions for econ. But here's the thing, if you don't understand the marking requirements, you don't understand what the essay structure is, you don't know what an 8-mark case study question requires, there's no way you're going to score, even if you have all the content at your fingertips. So compress your notes, do loads of practice, and with that familiarity, you should be able to ace econ quite easily.